Good morning. So let's talk about this 2025 F-150 Platinum. Let's don't talk about the Pro tailgate. Let's don't talk about the power. Let's talk about this silly door. So it's locked. Let me unlock this. That's very secure. Also, it's not even attached. So if I don't lock this very secure lock, this will be gone. And then what do we put in here? Oh, you know what? Let's put a hitch in there. Oh. Well, that's kind of pointless. So my question about this silly little door with the very high quality lock, what the fuck?